You just downloaded Windows 11 and you're going through the setup. Everything is fine until you hit this screen. Microsoft is asking you to sign in with an account, and there's no obvious way to skip it. No local account button, no skip option, just a next button that won't move until you connect to the internet and log in. But here's the thing, you don't have to. There are multiple ways to bypass this screen and set up Windows 11 with a local account, no Microsoft account required. And in this video, I'm going to show you all of them, from the quickest one-click method to a fully automated solution that handles everything before you even reach this screen. Let's get into it. The first method is the most reliable one right now. It works even if your PC is connected to the internet, and it doesn't require any special tools. On the setup screen, press Shift and F10 on your keyboard. If you're on a laptop and nothing happens, try Shift, Fn, and F10. This opens a command prompt window. Click anywhere inside it, then type regedit and hit enter. In the registry editor, navigate to this path: H key, local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, OBE. Right-click on the empty space on the right side of the registry editor. Go to New and select DWORD 32-bit value. Name it exactly like this, with no spaces, HideOnlineAccountScreens. Then double-click it, set the value to 1, and click OK. Close the registry editor and the command prompt. Then click the back button on the setup screen and continue forward. The Microsoft account screen will be gone, and you'll land directly on the local account creation page. The second method is a single command, but before you run it, you need to make sure your PC has no internet connection. If you're on a desktop, just unplug the Ethernet cable. If you're on a laptop using Wi-Fi, turn it off. If you can't physically disconnect, there's another way. Press Shift and F10 to open command prompt. Type dev-mgmt.msc and hit enter. This opens Device Manager. Expand Network, add chapters. Right-click each one and select Disable Device. Now, with no internet connection, press Shift and F10 to open command prompt. Click inside the window, then type the following command exactly as shown and hit enter: OOBE /bypassNRO. Your PC will restart automatically and bring you back to the setup screen. This time, you'll see an I don't have internet option. Click it and you'll reach the local account creation page. One important thing: if you disabled your network adapters in Device Manager, don't forget to go back in after setup and re-enable them. This one is the simplest method of all, but there's a catch. It only works on Windows 11 Pro. If you're on Home, skip to the next method. Stay connected to the internet and go through the setup normally until you reach the Microsoft account sign-in screen. Click on Sign In Options at the bottom left. You'll see an option that says Domain, join instead. Click it. That's it. Windows will take you straight to the local account creation page. No commands, no registry edits, no disconnecting from the internet. This method is different from the others. Instead of bypassing the Microsoft account screen during setup, you handle it before the installation even begins, while creating your bootable USB drive. Download Rufus from rufus.ie. It's free and takes about 2 seconds to install. Open Rufus and select your Windows 11 ISO file. When you click Start, a dialog box will pop up called Windows User Experience. Check the box that says Remove Requirement for an online Microsoft account. Click OK and let Rufus finish creating the USB. That's all you need to do. When you boot from this USB and go through the setup, the Microsoft account screen will simply not appear. Rufus handles everything in the background automatically. All 4 methods we covered so far solve one problem. They get you past the Microsoft account screen, but the moment you land on your desktop, you're still looking at a stock Windows 11 install. Copilot pinned to the taskbar. Ads in the start menu. Background bloatware eating your RAM before you've opened a single app. If you want to skip all of that at the same time, there's a 5th method. It's called WinCore 11. It's a single XML file that you drop onto your Windows installation USB before you boot from it. When the installer runs, it automatically bypasses the Microsoft account requirement, sets up a local account, and strips out all the bloat in one go. Nothing extra to install, nothing to configure. I made a full video covering exactly how it works, what it changes, and why I built it. Link is in the description. Microsoft has been quietly making it harder and harder to set up Windows without an account, and most people don't even know there's a way around it. Now you do. Pick whichever method fits your situation. If you're connected to the internet, go with the Registry Tweak. If you want one command, disconnect and run OBE /bypassNRO. On Pro, domain join is 2 clicks, and if you haven't created your USB yet, Rufus handles it before setup even starts. And if you want a completely clean Windows install with no bloat, no telemetry, no Microsoft account, all handled automatically before you even reach the desktop, check out out WinCore 11. Full video is in the description. All links are below. If this saved you some time, the like button is right there. I'm 404 found. See you in the next one.